Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a unique style of bit assortment metal kit from Bahco. The part number of this set is BE5049. Box has information about bits and adapters included in the set. There are 49 pieces in this kit. Let's open up the box. This is really a beautiful sturdy metal box. The whole box is painted in black with nice Bahco logo and part number on the top. Handle is made of fully metal. Lashes are sturdy and smooth. Look at the assortment. A well organization of bit assortments. It comes with assortment of security Torx, triple square and hex bits. Bits are organized together with short and longer versions. You can see how these different lengths of same bit size are organized. On the top of that, you can use all these bits assortment with both in half inch and the 3/8 drive adapters. Let's try these bits with 3/8 adapter first. These adapters has ball detent to secure the bits firmly. Adapter and bits seems made of good quality steel. Adapter fits good in the ratchet and the bit is firm on the adapter too. Good quality stuff from Bahco. Longer bit fits good also on the adapter. Now the same bit can be used on half-inch drive adapter. Very good idea of this kit having short and long bits in both drives. These really feel like normal hex socket. These are not wobbly at all. Ball detent makes it firm. In addition to that, kit has included some of the Torx sockets in extra length, giving it more variety. Some of the bigger size of Torx bit in different lengths also added. These sockets and bit has some weight on it, and they seems made of good quality, I would say. I own many tools from Bahco and they are good quality professional grade tools. As I said, it's unique. I call it unique because I have never seen this style of metal box with such variety of bits in such small box. You got almost whole variety of most common sizes of bit assortment used in automotive industry. Sure, there are some bigger sizes missing and those missing ones are not very commonly used. But in this small box, with such versatility in combination of different lengths and sizes is impressive. The quality of bits and socket is top notch. Metal box is sturdy and robust. You can keep the box in tool trolley or can be taken with you on a side job. So far I am impressed with this kit. What do you guys think about this box? Feel free to comment below. Alright guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.